Hello everyone, welcome to Kanama Cooks. Today we are making a stir fry made with freshwater prawns, scrambled eggs and spices. The Eral Muttai Masala. It's a perfect side dish for a South Indian lunch with sambar or a simple dal. Here is how to do it. Add some Indian style sesame oil to a pan. Vegetable oil can also be used for making this recipe. Add some fennel seeds and some cumin seeds. Fennel seeds adds a nice aroma and flavor while cooking prawns. Add some fresh curry leaves and some chopped green chilies. Add the sliced onions and saute for a few minutes till the onions are soft. Once the onions are soft, add the crushed ginger and the garlic paste. Add the sliced tomatoes and the salt along. The salt will help cook the tomatoes faster. Mix everything well to combine. Cover the pan with the lid and cook for a few minutes. The tomatoes should be cooked and completely mushy. Once the tomatoes are cooked, add the spice powders. Add the turmeric powder, red chili powder and the coriander powder. Adjust the chili powder according to your taste. If you want a spicy masala, add a little bit of chili powder extra. Saute for a minute so the masala powders are cooked well. Add the cleaned freshwater prawns to the pan. Mix well so the masalas coat the prawns well. Cover the pan and cook for a couple of minutes. After cooking for a couple of minutes, move the prawns mixture to one side of the pan. Break 3 eggs and add them to the other side. Add a little salt. Mix everything well and scramble the eggs on one side. Once the eggs are scrambled and dry, mix them with the prawn mixture. After mixing, cook briefly for a minute. Add some black pepper powder at this stage and mix well. Finally, add in a generous sprinkle of coriander leaves. Our Eral Muttai Masala is now ready. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's me Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye bye.